Hey everybody. I just wanted to pop in and talk to you a little bit about the new unit that we're starting this week. I know that your essay was due on Monday night, so it's possible that you haven't had the chance to take a look at the instructor's notes that were due on Monday night. So I thought we could take a look at them together now. So notice that the title of the instructor's notes are "The Thing About Academic Writing, the Thing That Was Missing from Our Project 1 essay is something kind of important." At the very beginning of the quarter, I asked you to imagine what you thought it would be like to write for the Academy. What was academic writing to you? And now you have been doing a lot of writing so far. You learned about, for instance, you learned about rhetoric, the rhetorical situation, and the different appeals that rhetorics might use to persuade an audience. And you've been working with a lot of elements that are very common in academic writing. You had to write a working thesis statement. You wrote an essay. Now, what I wanted to point out to you is that there's been something missing so far from the writing that we've been doing, and that is a particular concept. The concept that writing, especially writing for the Academy, is like a conversation. So I'm going to be asking you to read a very particular text that is going to talk to you about what that means. So let me just open up the introduction to a particular textbook. This is a textbook that many instructors use at Wacom now and in the past. This is the introduction to a textbook called They Say, I Say. So let me just open that up and show you what it looks like. Okay, so I'm going to be asking you to read the introduction to They Say, I Say titled Entering the Conversation. And once you read through this article, you're going to get a better idea about what it means to think of academic writing like a conversation. And eventually, once you get to the end, you are going to get the chance to look at certain sentence frames or templates that this author considers to be very important. I'm sorry, Gerald Graff, that's the author, considers to be very important for academic writing. So when you finish reading that, I've asked you to let me know how helpful you think that chapter was. So you should read the instructor's notes. Then you're going to read that introduction to They Say, I Say that I just clicked on before. And then I'm going to ask you to just let me know, this can be very short, how effective you thought this chapter and this list of templates that you'll want to take a look at were for you. So it's a really easy question. To what extent do you find these templates that you'll learn about in that chapter helpful? And to what extent do you find them restrictive? And that's it. But I really, really want for you to take the time to really carefully read through this introduction and then also take a look at those templates. All right, that's it. If you have any questions, I hope that you will let me know. And other than that, enjoy this text. I know that I do.